Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in this one I'll be showing you how you can actually generate SEO friendly blog outlines for your blog or your website. So we're always on PromptMate. We will just go ahead and insert the keyword, the targeted keyword. For this video example, let's just think it's side hustles for accountants, and we will go ahead and click save and add prompts. And then the prompts are already in place. By visiting this template, you will also be able to go through them if you want to and actually edit them or improve them if you like. But for this video, we will just go ahead and click save and test. So the goal of this prompt was to actually generate an article title, a list of 20 secondary keywords, SEO friendly, and a blog outline, a short meta description, and a slug URL, right? So as you can see, the result is in place, and you also have the slug and you have the meta description, etc., and the blog outline. Then we can also do something really useful, which is extract URL data, external data, from the Google search engine results pages, and for example, grab the first top three ranking articles and say study them, because our goal is to outrank them, right? To write a better article than them in order to rank better than them. So that's exactly what prompt 2 does. We will of course use Google Organic SERPs as a data extender. It can be this Google Organic SERP extractor. We click in here, we add the keyword, which was this one, and then we go ahead and click save and test data extender. So we go ahead and click save and test. As you can see, PromptMate is correctly extracting the ranking articles, and here we have the result. So it also says, in order to outrank these articles, you can consider discussing the following aspects in your article: 1, 2, and 3. So now you can also download this by clicking run. You can download it on a CSV file or simply open it on a Google spreadsheet. But the main important thing is that in this example, we just did this for one keyword, right? So we only used one targeted keyword. But you can also bulk generate blog outlines if you like by simply switching to CSV input and importing a CSV file that contains all the targeted keywords that you want to write blog outlines for. So PromptMate right now is free to use. All you have to do is go on promptmate.io and click use for free, and you will have 1,000 free credits waiting for you. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.